Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, I tackled redoing the false floor in the boot and trimming that and relocating the battery. I figured since I'd started trimming the interior with the boot, I might as well continue. And I've already started. I've trimmed the inner sill panel on both sides, the kick panel. The driver's side is also done. And now I'm up to doing the transmission tunnel. Now, I've changed the glue that I've used. Previously, I used spray glue in a can and it failed. I had my roof liner fall down and I had to redo it. So this is the roof liner after I've redone it a second time. Now, don't mind that little divot in my corner of the turret. That is where the seatbelt bolts to. So that's going to take care of that. And I'll show you the glue I've used. The only glue, by the way, that I think in a can that's any decent is this Permatex heavy duty automotive headliner adhesive, because it resists moisture and extreme temperatures. Now, when my headliner failed, and I'll show you a photo of that, I had to go to the trimmer, get more perforated vinyl, and I got some of his industrial commercial grade glue that he uses, which is a high temp contact adhesive, and he's told me it will not fail. I went and bought this extremely cheap spray gun, which was about $25 off Amazon, and you can see the contact adhesive in there, and this stuff works really well, and he said this will not fail. And the main reason all your spray glues fail is because they don't have that heat resistive properties. And in the Australian summer, I think the headliner in my car lasted about 2 years. I used a Worth product, which usually is very good, but the headliner failed in the heat. So hopefully this time, second time around, it will work. And I also re-dyed my rear seats in the SEM Landau Black vinyl paint. And I got my rear backrest retrimmed or repaired. He replaced that part and the piping all the way around, and he also replaced this center part here. And then the seat was multicolored. It was cream and black, and then I repainted this as well. But that's enough talk. I think it's time we get to work, and let's do our transmission tunnel and put our carpet in. All right, guys, let's get to work.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. rise, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind worked backwards just for a minute, I'd hold on to you before the memory's gone. I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember, I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember. When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my
All right, we'll do a quick pause from the carpet installation just because I want to go back and address the mounting location for my battery isolation switch. So in the last video, this was all nice and neat and complete, but honestly, where I decided to mount it, which was at the back behind this panel, it actually made it quite difficult to get access to and turn it off in case there was an emergency. Great for security purposes, but in the event of a fire or any reason would need to kill the battery, I would be the only person that would be able to stick my hand back there to turn it off. So I've decided I'll remount it on this back panel here, still hidden from view, and it's a lot easier to get access to in the case of an emergency. So let's quickly do that, and then we can get back to the carpet.
I hold on to you before the memory's gone. I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember, I remember.
right, we pretty much have a completed interior now, minus the front seats, that is. Carpet's all in. All the floor mats are done. I had to trim them up a little bit. Rear seats are in. Seat belts have all been fitted. And now the center console is complete as well. I recently did a YouTube short on rebuilding the center console. Had to put in a cup holder, remake the shifter position, and I fit a period correct radio. And then I also sprayed it to match the dashboard. And now if we go around to the back, I reworked the battery cables, and I also remounted the isolation switch so it's a little bit easier to access. And all the carpets trimmed in the back too. It's another job done. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.